Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you will be fine at home. Today I will teach you chapter 11 Simple Machine. Dear students, look at this picture and try to name them. These things are scissors, knife, and hammer. Scissors help in cutting the clothes. Knife help in cutting the fruits and vegetables. Hammer helps in putting the nail inside the wall. These things help us to do the work fast and easily. So these are simple machines. So what is simple machines? A tool that make our work easier is called simple machine. When you think of machines, you may think of washing machine, bicycle, desert cooler, juicer, grinder and sewing machines, etc. Such machines are called complex machines. They consist of two or more simple machines working together. So complex machine is combination of two or more simple machines. How simple machines make our work easier? So there are three ways. First is by increasing the amount of force. For example, hammer helps to make the nail inside the wall by applying more force on the head of the nail. Second point, by changing the direction of the force. For example, pulley helps to draw the water from the well by changing the direction of force. Third, by increasing the speed of doing work. For example, knife and scissor helps to do the work fast and easily. So now students, there are 6 kinds of machines: lever, inclined plane, screw, pulley, wedge and wheel and axle. So firstly I will explain you lever. A lever is a rigid rod that can move freely around a fixed point. Look at this picture. A lever consists of 3 parts: fulcrum, load, effort. Fulcrum, it is a fixed point around which the lever moves. Load, it is the object on which work is to be performed. Effort, it is the force that has to be applied on the rod to do the work or the task. Now students, load arm. Load arm is the distance between the fulcrum and the load. Effort arm. Effort arm is the distance between the fulcrum and the effort. Then the principle of lever is effort multiply effort arm is equal to load multiply load arm. Dear students, based on the position of fulcrum, levers can be divided into 3 classes. First class of lever. In first class of lever, the fulcrum is located in between load and the effort. Look at this picture. There is a fulcrum in the center. Load and effort are on the sides of the rod. For example, crowbar. The point a man applies force is known as effort. The weight or stone he wants to shift is known as load. The point on which the crowbar is pivoted called fulcrum. Scissors and seesaw are some other examples of first class lever. Second class lever. In second class lever, load is situated in between effort and fulcrum. Wheelbarrow and bottle openers are the examples of second class lever. Third class lever. In third class lever, effort is located in between load and fulcrum. A pair of tongs and a stapler are example of third class lever. So dear student, I have explained you simple machines and lever. Hope you have understood. If you having any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day.